Hello, woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts. This is Jay Torres, and once again, welcome back to Wood You Like to Make. Are you thinking about buying a Ryoba saw or a Japanese saw like this one? If so, I hope this video will help you decide whether to invest in a more expensive option or go for a cheaper one available online. So, let's get started! Wood you like to make. I have two Ryoba saws here. On my right is a branded Japan-made Ryoba saw that is quite expensive, and on my left is a China-made Ryoba saw that costs about 6 times less than the one on my right. In this video, I'll be doing two performance comparisons of these two saws to help you make an informed choice. I'll test them by cutting this undersized 2x2 pine wood, first in crosscut and second in rip cut. Instead of using a timer, we'll count how many push and pull strokes it takes for each saw to cut through the wood. I will use a single piece of wood for this demonstration to ensure that both saws are cutting through wood with the same hardness and strength. For performance test number 1, I'm going to do a crosscut. Since it's going to be a crosscut, I'll be using the side with finer, more closely spaced tip on both Ryoba saws. Now, let's proceed with the branded Japan-made Ryoba saw first. Did you see that? This branded Japan-made Ryoba saw was able to cut through this 2x2 pine wood in 52 push and pull strokes. Next, let's see if the cheaper China-made Ryoba saw can do the same. This time, I will be using the cheaper China-made Ryoba saw for the same cutting procedure, which is also a cross-cut. Again, did you see that? This cheaper China-made Ryoba saw took 60 push and pull strokes to cut through the 2x2 pine wood. It's not as good or as fast as the first one, which only took 52 strokes. What do you think about that? Now, I'm going to do a rip cut for performance test number 2. Since we're doing a rip cut, I'll use the side of the saw with fewer, slightly larger teeth. I won't be using a timer this time either. Instead, I'll do 60 push and pull strokes with each saw, and then we'll measure how much each saw cuts. Does that sound good to you? Again, I'll proceed with the branded Japan-made Ryoba saw first. So, I've completed 60 push and pull strokes for our rip cut with Japan-made Ryoba on this 2x2 pine wood. I'll mark it with the letter J for Japan. Again, this time, I'll be using the cheaper China-made Ryoba saw for the same cutting procedure, which is also a rip cut. And again, I've completed 60 push and pull strokes for the rip cut using the China-made Ryoba on the same 2x2 pine wood. I'll mark this one with the letter C for China. Now, let's measure the performance of the two Ryoba saws. First, we'll measure the length of the Japan-made Ryoba's rip cut on this 2x2 pine wood. Well, this branded Japan-made Ryoba saw was able to rip cut 8 cm through this 2x2 pine wood in just 60 push and pull strokes. Impressive, isn't it? Now, let's move on to measuring the rip cut made by the China-made Ryoba on this 2x2 pine wood. Oh well, I guess you were expecting this. The cheaper China-made Ryoba saw was able to rip cut 6.4 cm through this 2x2 pine wood with the same 60 push and pull strokes. This means the Japan-made Ryoba saw has a 25% advantage in rip cutting efficiency. What do you think about that? Now, let me share my honest opinions and conclusions based on the performance comparisons we've just completed. The branded Japan-made Ryoba saw, while more expensive, clearly demonstrates superior performance with faster and more efficient cuts. It cross-cut through a 2x2 pine wood in just 52 push and pull strokes. Thus, it has a 13.33% advantage over the cheaper China-made Ryoba saw in terms of the number of push and pull strokes needed to cut through the 2x2 pine wood, and rip cut through 8 cm of 2x2 pine wood in 60 push and pull strokes, showing a 25% higher rip cutting efficiency compared to the China-made Ryoba saw. If you're looking for a high-quality tool that provides precise and effortless cuts and are willing to invest more upfront, the Japan-made Ryoba saw is a solid choice for your woodworking projects. The cheaper China-made Ryoba saw, on the other hand, offers a more budget-friendly option for those who want a functional tool without breaking the bank. Although it took 60 push and pull strokes to cross-cut through a 2x2 pine wood, making it 13.33% less efficient than its Japanese counterpart, and made 6.4 cm length of rip cut through a 2x2 pine wood, making it 25% less efficient than its Japanese counterpart, it can still be a viable choice for occasional use or for beginners. If you're looking for an economical option and are okay with sacrificing a bit of speed and efficiency, the China-made Ryoba saw could be a good fit. Thank you for joining me on this side-by-side performance comparison of the branded Japan-made and the cheaper China-made Ryoba saws. As we've seen, both saws have their own strengths and serve different needs. The Japan-made Ryoba offers precision, efficiency, and exceptional quality for those who prioritize performance and are willing to invest a bit more. On the other hand, the China-made Ryoba provides a more affordable option that gets the job done for those who are just starting out or are on a tighter budget. At the end of the day, the right choice depends on your needs, your budget, and how much you value quality and efficiency in your tools. I hope this comparison has helped you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, follow my Facebook page, and hit that notification bell for more woodworking tips, tool reviews, and DIY projects. Until next time, keep creating and stay safe in your workshops. Happy woodworking! See you!